Hey everybody, it's Marie Antoinette and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my most recent haul that contains purchases from HSN, Spellbinders, and Amazon. Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection and welcome to my channel. Now, the majority of these purchases are to be included in my upcoming Spellbinders projects that debut some dies that premiere August 20th through September 20th. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when those videos are released. We'll also be uploading a lot of technique videos to share with you how I created the backgrounds for those premiering dies. I am super excited and want to thank Spellbinders again for contacting me to participate in their upcoming projects. The first package that you see me opening has been a long-awaited package from HSN. Now, if you haven't figured out already, I am a huge Anna Griffin fan, and about 99% of my purchases come from HSN. Yes, I know that I have some sort of addiction problem. But don't we all? I mean, aren't we all addicted to something? What you're seeing right now are the Sleigh Slimline Easel dies. Now, I understand that a lot of people were very disappointed because they did not get to have these. They sold out on HSN the same day. I want to say even in a couple of hours. I did cheat and go to the website the day before, but I even heard that some people did that and still couldn't get it. This die set includes 10 dies, 4 ornament dies, 3 label dies, a base card die that you can make your slimline card out of. I think is fantastic because that means you don't have to own the slimline compendium dies or have to measure and cut your own. It also includes the reindeer die with the sleigh and then a base die that goes underneath the reindeer and the sleigh. Now, if you're hearing thunder, I apologize. Mother Nature is not being so kind during this voiceover, and we're having a major thunderstorm. So hopefully there's not going to be any more booms going on. On to the next package unveiling. Spellbinders! I'm so excited! Okay, this is not what I received from Spellbinders. I actually purchased these. I was so super excited to see that Susan Tierney Cockburn from Susan's Garden had a release of flower dies in Spellbinders. Every time I have made one of her flower cards, my friends have just been wowed. Honestly, they look so realistic. I have followed her through Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I've been a big fan of hers for, I guess, about 3 or 4 years now. And as soon as I saw those dies, I was like, okay, I need to get them. So I'm going to be doing future videos to share with you if you are a fan of Susan's and you haven't gotten Spellbinders, what to expect. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. I'm also going to be doing tutorials on that. And just a little teaser, I just got confirmation that one of my projects from Spellbinders is going to be doing card projects with the Christmas cactus die. I'm like so excited. Oh, and the lantern too. Yes. So before you can buy it, you can see it with my videos. Again, make sure you subscribe. I am so super excited. Oh man, Marie, come on, focus. All right. So I got 3 Susan Gardens die. I got the sweet pea, the parrot tulip, and the lily of the valley. I can't wait to get out my gardening gloves and grow these flowers. Did you see how many dies I had? That is actually only one of many boxes of dies. I swear I have at least 100. On to the next die. This is the Mini Blooms and Sprigs. It is part of the Slimline collection, and I'm really excited to use it on my Slimline dies that I'll show you a little bit later. What I know I will already love is that they're so tiny I can use up all those scrap pieces of paper that are left behind for my bigger projects. Now that I know how to hot foil, I had to get the mini everyday sentiments. These 26 everyday sentiments are going to be perfect on my everyday cards. And I can't wait to add them to my other cards. Those smaller sentiments will look fabulous on that tag. You all know that Slimline Dies is all the rage. And I own Anna's Slimline Dies, so I said, might as well pick up some Spellbinders dies. So I got the classic Slimline, the Moroccan Kaleidoscope Slimline, and the Flowering Slimline. And that does it for my Spellbinders purchase. Phew! Alright, on to Amazon! Now I think I can let the cat out of the bag and share with you some of the dies that I will be using on my future projects coming up on August 20th. Now that fall is just around the corner, can you believe it? I decided, I really need some more fall and Halloweenish type of embossing folders and stamps. So I went ahead and bought these embossing folders. They are kind of on the small side, so we'll see how it goes. They are about 4 by 6, and in this set I got a spiderweb embossing folder, a snowflake embossing folder, a wood grain embossing folder, and then some kind of ugly Christmas sweater embossing folder. I'm not really sure what that is, but it looks pretty interesting. For the new Add to Cart die series, I really need to think outside the box for my upcoming project because unfortunately I missed out on getting the shopping cart that goes with that, which is pretty much an integral piece. But they did have high heels, and I thought, hey, girly. So I searched Amazon for girly, and this is what I found. I'm absolutely in love with these clear stamps, and the sentiments on here are incredible. Some of the sentiments say, you are oh so glam, you can never have too many shoes, behind every fabulous woman is a beautiful handbag, shoes are a girl's best friend. How adorable is that? And to go with my scarecrow project, I thought Halloween, which is refreshing because I have been spending so much time on Christmas. So I ended up getting the Eerie Night Kit, which has 8 12 by 12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and coordinating sticker sheet, which I had no idea. And I'm not sure why I would need that. When I searched for Halloween stamps, the most adorable stamps that I found were from Spellbinders. And these are called Fabulous. Isn't that so cute? Now, what I love about this the most are the adorable sentiments. Some of my favorite sentiments here are, if you got it, haunt it. You are absolutely fabulous. It's a boo fest. Stealing candy is wicked. Isn't that so cute? What are your favorites? I am looking forward to reading your comments below. Whew, that was a lot of unboxings. And believe it or not, there are more to come. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you click on the bell to subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching. It's because of you I create these videos, and it brings me so much joy. I will see you in the next video.